Troubleshooting the Homelite pressure washer. Himore vertical pump becomes much easier once you understand its three most common failure areas. Welcome to WholeToolBox. This pump is designed to deliver a high-pressure operation of 3100 psi and plays a major role in overall washer performance. The 7/8-inch shaft axial pump is widely used on vertical pressure washers, and most problems can be diagnosed by paying close attention to water output and how the engine responds during operation. The most frequent complaint is reduced or inconsistent water pressure. Before assuming an internal issue, inspect the basics. Make sure the garden hose is not bent or restricted, and that the inlet screen is clean and free from dirt or sediment. If the water supply is adequate but the pressure remains weak, the unloader valve inside the pump may be sticking. Even small air leaks matter. Check all O-rings on the high-pressure hose and spray gun, as worn seals can significantly impact performance. Water leaks should be addressed promptly. Dripping from the brass thermal relief valve is normal when the pump overheats due to prolonged idling without pulling the trigger. However, water leaking from the pump body or seams usually points to a cracked manifold, often caused by freezing temperatures during storage. In these cases, replacing the pump is usually the only reliable solution. A locked or hard-to-pull starter may indicate a seized pump rather than engine failure. Detach the pump and test the engine independently. Prevent future damage by using a pump protector during storage, maintaining consistent water flow, and properly installing the Woodruff key with anti-seize lubricant during replacement. For genuine pressure washer replacement parts and maintenance essentials, visit WholeToolBox.com. Don't forget to follow us on social media. Thanks for watching.